Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourself. Friend, today one of my friend has come to do her henna design on my hand and she's a very good artist. Please, if you have any henna needs and all, and now Christmas is coming, please feel free to contact her. I'll tag her name and her name is Lata. She's a very beautiful girl, so please contact her for Christmas, New Year, and all your mehendi needs. If you have a wedding or you want to do some special things for your children, for your daughter's 16th birthday, any birthdays actually are always special. But if you have a teenager and she does very good design, and if you're pregnant, she does very good designs on a belly. If you want to do something on your shoulder, you can contact her. She does very good designs. I'll tag her and I'll give her IDs over there of Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Please feel free to contact her, Lata. She'll start the mehendi design on my hand and we'll get started. Here, my friend is starting now. I've kept my hands clean. There should be no cream, nothing, no oil. Just wash your hands and dry it, and this is how it looks. Just keep it plain. And now here the henna starts, and my friend is awesome. She's going to start now. So here my friend is starting mehendi, and if you want only the cones also, my friend sells them. You could contact her to get some cones also. She makes her own mehendi powder and all, and she does the cones so nice, and you can keep the cones in the freezer. So here it started. And when you need it, just remove it one day before and start applying. मेहंदी है रचने वाली, क्या खूब गहरी लाली, मेहंदी है रचने वाली. You really need to have a good patience and be calm and carry on with the mehendi design. So lovely. Just look at it, so fine and so slim and thin. I can never do that. When I did mehendi, I think I've showed you how thick designs I have done, but this is the art of a henna artist who knows how to start with just fine. Oh my, it's so looking so good already. She's trying to make a bride of here, and she's trying to make the face of the bride now. Just look at the sleekness, it's so pretty. Here comes the bride's ears. I heard that Katrina, who recently got married, she spent like 1 lakh rupees only on henna. And she got married in Rajasthan, and Katrina Kaif is a Bollywood actress. So today I'm feeling the same. So this is the outline, and now it will be all getting filled in with all the designs now, but this is the outline, and this is a bride and the dulhan who is going to get married. So this is the outline. Just look at the fine drawing of here. So much of you really need to keep your eyes open for this kind of a design, and the eyes need to be so strong and nice, but henna artist people who do so fine designs, it affects their eyes so much, so they really need to have a good eye power over here. But look at the designs, I'm so happy. Contact Lata for all this mehendi designs. She can do henna design over all the body actually, but she doesn't recommend on the face because the face is a very delicate part and it stays like for 10 days and it will not look good on the face. So shoulders, hands, if you want some tattoos, please contact Lata. So the mehendi has really come out so well, and this is the lehenga of the bride. It is so beautiful and it's so minute. The design of the lehenga is looking so pretty, as if it's a real lehenga on the bride. Just look at it. I'm in love with this bride actually. She's so pretty. So here the henna is done. The bride is completed over here with all her lehenga and the details. I'm loving it so much. And you know how much time it took, guys? It took like 1 hour 10 minutes. So a bride, whenever they are doing henna, you should have that much of patience and allow the henna artist to do their job. Just see, Lata has done an awesome job. I'm so proud of it. She has done so fantastic job. I'm so happy. So please, if you want to get nice beautiful henna designs over this holidays, please contact her and you'll feel amazed and your hands will look so beautiful just like mine. So Lata did more designs after doing the bride. Just look at the flowers and the leaves, the minute leaves. So nice the leaves are looking. Just look at the details, the dewdrops on the flower. So pretty. Can't get over it. So now the whole hand is done. Just look at it, friends. So pretty. I'm falling in love with my hands, and only I am feeling that, oh, I should only keep watching my hand, and it's so pretty. Just look at the designs. So there's a bride over here, there are flowers over here, the lehenga, her dress, her flower in the hand, and just look at this design, the border design. Then we draw a line again. Lata drew a line over here. Then she did some flowers. Just look at some circles, some crosses, and some flower again, some nice flower design. And on the fingertips, flower design, and just look at it. Feeling so happy, so beautiful. So Lata did more design on the bag. She didn't want it to leave empty. She just wanted to cover it up and show more lovely design. And here her work is. I'm so happy. Just look at it. The whole hand is getting, and you have to really have patience. It at least took 3 hours to do all this. So just patience is the key. A bride should always do her henna at least 2 days before so that she doesn't have to rush. And this is how Lata did, and Lata is so happy doing it in my hands because I gave her the whole time and I had lots of patience. So now the whole hand is done. It's looking so beautiful. I'm so happy. So my daughter also wanted Lata to do some designs on her hand, but Simran is going to do light designs, so, and softer design, so that it is done in some minutes. So just look at it, so fine and nice design. So now the design is almost finished for half the hand. It's looking so beautiful. I'm so impressed. Just look at the fine work. Such a pretty design. Now look at the fingers with the leafy design. So happy. So colorful, and it will turn out so great. I'm really so happy about it. So now the whole hand is done. It's looking more prettier with small flowers, nice leafy design, and in another finger some other design. I mean, different fingers have different design. So pretty. Now just we'll have to keep it for 12 to 24 hours. The color will come so nice, bright orange and dark, so much of dark color. It looked more awesome. Lata did so good, and I'm so happy that she made time and came to our house to do this. So happy and appreciate it. Please contact her. So this is the color, how it has turned out to be. It's looking so pretty, and I waited for 18 hours before I could wash it. I'm so happy. Just look at the color, and the color will become even more darker. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lata, for doing this design. I really am very happy. Thank you so much for coming home and doing this henna work on me and my daughter. Thank you so much. So my daughter also wanted Lata to do some designs on her hand, but Simran is going to do light designs, so, and softer design, so that it is done in some minutes. So just look at it, so fine and nice design. The design is almost finished for half the hand. It's looking so beautiful. I'm so impressed. Just look at the fine work. Such a pretty design. Now look at the fingers with the leafy design. So happy. So colorful, and it will turn out so great. I'm really so happy about it. So now the whole hand is done. It's looking more prettier with small flowers, nice leafy design, and in another finger some other design. I mean, different fingers have different design. So pretty. Now just we'll have to keep it for 12 to 24 hours. The color will come so nice, bright orange and dark, so much of dark color. It looked more awesome. Lata did so good, and I'm so happy that she made time and came to our house to do this. So happy and appreciate it. Please contact her. This is how my daughter's henna design came, and she's also super duper happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So wonderfully done. So Lata bought me some dosa batter. She bought some nice potato vegetable. It looks so yummy. And here we are enjoying the dosa as well as nice potato vegetable. So here are the dosas for me, and everybody would like to see the color, how it came. This is after 24 hours. It's looking so beautiful. So here's Lata's visiting card. I've mentioned her over here. So you saw the henna, how nice it has come out. It's really looking beautiful. I'm so happy. I've told this happy word so many times because I really feel very good, and it's so beautiful. And this is the third day, and the color is so intact and nice. Just look at the details. I'm showing you from a close-up, but it's so beautiful. So now I'll tell you the benefits of applying henna into your hands and legs. Of course, it's an Indian cultural thing actually, which we all ladies put during any festival. And when the brides get married, this is a very good tradition which every girl follows, and now it is so professionally done, like how Lata did it on me. And this has so many benefits. It keeps your hands and legs cool, and it is good for your skin also, and the smell lasts like for 3 or 4 days after it's applied also. And with this colds and coughs and all will also subside because it has eucalyptus oil, and it has tea decoction, which again soothes the skin, and it's very good for your skin. And many people like to do many things, and they like to put it on their bellies and when they're pregnant, so that they can remember it that they had done henna and all. So it looks very pretty. So people who don't like to do tattoos with the ink and permanently, so mehendi is very good, so that it just lasts for 10 or 12 days and it's gone, so you can apply for the next time a new design. So many users are there. So I hope you all like this video, and like it, share, comment and subscribe. And please contact Lata. I'll put all her details in the description. Till then, have a good night and enjoy.